All right, in this short video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly do a Superman on the floor, which is one of the most underrated core exercises. And when you think of core, a lot of people think of, hey, six-pack abs, crunches, sit-ups, leg raises, but the fact of the matter is that your core is this whole section here, and we need to train the backside of your core, your spinal erectors, to really have a full functioning, pain-free, and strong body. So in this video, we're gonna dive in exactly how to do a Superman, which is one of the best exercises for training the backside of your core, the spinal erectors, and I think you're gonna really love that. Let's dive right in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so to start the Superman, we are going to be prone on our bellies here, and just like the name of the exercise suggests, we're going to be pretending like we're flying like Superman, more or less. So to demonstrate this, the most important part is that you're outstretched right here, your arms are out in front of you, your legs are out in front of you. What I want you to do is take a deep breath in, and then raise your arms and your legs off the ground, and hold for a count, and then come right back down. Now, to do this, a couple really important things have to happen. One, to get my legs off, I have to squeeze my glutes and squeeze my low back. To get my arms off, I have to activate my lower traps and keep my core very tight. So again, boom, right here, hold for a good pause, slowly come down. Boom, right on up, slowly come down. Boom, right on up, slowly come down. Now you can see the range of motion is not very far. I'm only moving a couple inches off the ground, but that's okay because it's about the quality of the contraction. And as a little more advanced kind of form of the Superman, you can alternate arms if you'd like. So, for example, I can do alternating arm leg here, alternating arm leg here. So I like to personally do them all together and try to set a timer and do as many as I can in about 30 seconds. And again, the reason these are important is because you need a strong lower back. You need a strong backside of your core to have a strong front side. So this is an amazing exercise that you need to include in your core training. If you'd like more advice on the best core workouts, make sure to check out our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. I'm sure there are links on this video. And you'll get a full suite playlist of all of our best core exercises for the abs and the backside of the core. And if you'd like some free workouts, free meal plans, we have all that here at the Fit Father Project too. It's our mission to help men stay strong and healthy for their families. So I'm glad you found us. Really happy you found this video. Feel free to hit subscribe and join us, and look forward to seeing you around the channel. I'll talk to you soon.